Even they're playing in the rain. These guys. Ooh. Uh-uh. Ooh. Uh-oh, the rain's coming down heavier. Uh-oh. Are they gonna still play? Look at the rain. Look at the rain and the light. Look at the rain. They're still playing. They're playing in the rain. Wow, look at the rain coming down.
Oh my goodness.
Uh-oh, they're still playing. Look at this pouring rain. They're leaving. They're taking off. These guys are still playing 1 versus 1. Yeah, Crazy Kengar, let's go. It's pouring out here. And they're still scoring. Uh-uh. Game's almost over. Game's almost over. The rain is coming heavier. Uh-oh. All right. 8-6. This guy right here is winning. The rain is not stopping them. The rain, look at it, it's pouring. Oh!
Hey, what's it?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, 8-10, point game. What? 10-10? Uh-oh. Oh. Step back with the... Oh! The court is wet. It's 10-10, Nathan. They have to win by 2. Uh-oh. Ooh. It's slippery. Uh-oh. He's going for the 3. He's going for the game. Oh! Crazy Kengar style.
Oh my God.
Oh! He won the game with the 3! Nicole, you guys didn't stop in the rain. How was that? Wow, that was awesome. Yeah, in the rain, guys. They were out here. It was pouring. The court is wet. It's slippery. They finished the game.